This is Jyoti and you're in my little treat corner. When you realize this recipe is made with bread, it doesn't sound very tasty, but surprisingly it's really tasty. So I'm going to share the recipe with you all. For making Shahi Tukde, I'm going to use 5 large slices of bread. I'm going to cut the slices into half diagonally and keep it aside. I'm also going to powder 8 to 10 cardamom pods with 2 teaspoons of sugar. For the topping, I'm going to use 100 grams of Khoya. You usually get this in any dairy. You can also use whipped fresh cream instead of Khoya. I'm going to blend it with 1/3 cup of milk. To fry the bread slices, I'm going to heat 2 cups of ghee in a pan to about 190 to 200 degrees. And I'm going to fry the bread slices till it's brown and crisp on all sides. Now I'm going to boil half a liter of milk until it thickens slightly. I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar to it. And boil till it dissolves into the milk. Now that the sugar has dissolved completely and the milk is slightly thick, I'm going to turn off the heat, add 2 teaspoons of cardamom and sugar mix and 2 to 3 pinches of saffron. To put all this together, I'm going to first spread the bread slices on a slightly deep but wide serving dish that can fit the slices in one layer but can also hold the milk we are going to pour on top of it. I'm going to wait for a few minutes for the bread to absorb it. Then I'm going to evenly spread the Khoya on it. Lastly, I'm going to top it with almond and pista flakes. If you'd like, you can put silver foil as well. This is my Shahi Tukde. I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour or till it's chilled before serving. You won't know how tasty it is until you try it. So please make it at home and comment below on how you liked it. And if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. It's completely free.